A warm welcome to everyone. Today, in our math class, we are starting lesson 13 from grade 10, and the name of lesson is mean or average. So, this chapter also we have learned from class 9. So, today, what we are going to discuss on it, let's see here. We will discuss on what do you mean by mean or average. We know the average is the synonym word of mean. So, we'll discuss on what is the meaning of mean or average. Similarly, how to calculate mean for individual and discrete data. We have learned these individual data, how to solve and how to find mean from individual data. If the data are in discrete form, how to find their mean we have learned in class 9. Just we are revising it. And after that, we will compare the calculation of mean for individual series and continuous series. How to find continuous series. That is the main topic of today's class. And we are comparing with the individual case. What is the difference between individual series and the continuous series to calculate the mean? We are discussing today. So, let's see here. Before to start, mean or average, do you know the type of series? Do you have listened the type of series in class 9? Have you studied on class 9? I hope you have learned, you have listened individual series. And the data, when we are just like this, look at here, a data is given here, 3, 4, again 4, 3, 5, again 5, 4, 5, 4, 3. If items are, here 4 is repeated 4 times, 3 is repeated 3 times, 5 is repeated 3 times, but these data are individual case. Let's see, 3, one child age is 3 years, another child 4, another child 4, another child 3 years, another child 5 years, another child 5 years. So how many children their age we're asking? 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So this is 10 individual child age are given here. Then this is the individual child age are presented here. So that this data is individual data and each value, each age are separated by comma. So what type of data, what type of series is this? Means that is called individual series, which we have learned in class 9 also. Similarly, how to convert this individual series or individual data form into discrete data form? How we can write in a discrete form? Do you know? Let's see here. Just we have discussed 3 is repeated 3 times. It means 3 individual child age is 5 years, 4 individual child is 4 years, and 3 individual child is 3 years. So repeated. So if repeated items, this is 3 times 3, 9, 4 times 4 is 16, 5 times 3 is 15. Then how to present it in discrete form? Look at here, item 3, that is 3 is repeated 3 times, so its frequency is written 3. Similarly, item 4 is repeated 4 times, so its frequency is written 4. And item 5, or that is, if we will consider this is age, it is repeated 3 times, so we are presenting it on tabular form. It on table, so that what type of data now, when we see the data given this way, that is, what type of series is this? Then surely this is called discrete series. This 2 type of series we have learned in class 9. So let's see here how to solve, how to find mean for individual series and discrete series. If we have to see here, let's see here, if we have to go with this individual case, look at on board, there is 3. So this is called total of the given data. Let's find out, that is how much it is given. This is equal to 3 plus 4 plus 4, and similarly plus 3 plus 5 plus 5, and similarly 4 plus 5 plus, and how much? Plus 4 plus 3, plus 4 plus of 3. So total, do you know its total how much? 3 plus 4, 7, 7 plus 4, 11, 11 plus 3, 14, 14 plus 10, it's 24, 24 plus 4, 28, 28 plus 5, 33, 33 plus 7, it's 40. So summation of f's, that is sum of the given data, is 40. So this is, and after this, n is equal to number of items 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So this is equal to 10. Then mean x bar is equal to summation of x divided by n. This is equal to 40 divided by 10. So this is equal to 4. Similarly, if the data is in group form, then how many 3's are here? We have written here 3. How many 3's? 1, 2, 3. So this is 3 times. This is item, and this is frequency f. Then 4 is repeated 4 times, so its frequency is 4. And 5 is repeated 3 times, so this is 3. Then how to find mean for discrete series? Look at here. If we have to find discrete series, this is given item, consider x, and then frequency f, and we'll find fx. After that, x is how much? 3 and 4 and 5. Frequency 3, 4 and 3. Now x value multiply with f value. So 3 multiply with 3, this is 9. 4 multiply with 4, that is 16. 5 multiply with 3, that is 15. So after this, find out total of fx. Total of fx is how much? 16 plus of 9, 25. 25 plus 15, that is 40. Summation of fx, this is equal to 40. And summation of f means that is total of the frequency. This is considered n. This is equal to 3 plus 4, 7 plus 3, this is equal to 10. So summation fx is equal to 40, and the total of the frequency, that is n, is equal to 10. So we know this formula from class 9. So mean x bar is equal to summation of fx divided by n. So this is equal to, do you know how much is fx value? It is 40 divided by n is 10. So this is equal to 40 divided by 10. This is again 4. So look at, from individual case, when you are doing the problem, mean is 4, and same data we are converting into discrete form, group form, and then finding mean. Again this value also how much? This is 4. So for the same data, by any changing, means from individual form or from grouping form, discrete form, if we have to find mean, its result is same, right? Okay, let's go for another example. And the example is, here it is given the marks obtained in mathematics by 32 students of grade 9 with full marks 20 are given below. Based on the above data, how much its average value? Can you find its average value? Yes, why not? Let's find out its average value. How to find its average value, or that is mean value? Look at the given data are here, and the individual marks obtained by individual student are given here. So that mean, if we have to find mean, we have to find sum of the given marks. It means sum of the given marks means all marks total. How much this is? That is called summation of x. This is equal to 9 plus 9 plus 10 plus 10 is repeated 2 times. 9 is 9 obtained by 2 students, 10 obtained by 2 students, and 12 obtained. How many students here? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 students obtained 12 marks. Similarly, 14 marks obtained by how many students? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 students obtained 14 marks. So all these marks adding total sum is 448. And How many total students are here? 32. This is marks obtained by individual 32 students are given. We find their sum, means total of the marks. How much total marks they obtain by, means obtained by 32 students, that is 448. N is equal to 32. Then mean x bar is equal to summation x by n, and 448 divided by 32, its total is 14. It means after division result is 14. So for the same data, can we convert into discrete form? Let's see here, change into discrete form, change into the discrete series, and then how to convert into discrete series? Yes, we can convert into discrete series, but how? This is question. Can you convert into discrete form? Okay, let's see here how to convert into discrete form for the given data. Look at the given data is this one, which is given for us. Yes. Now, how many times 9 is repeated? Write it. How many times 10 is repeated? Write it. How many times 12 is repeated, means how many students obtain 12 marks? How many students obtain 14 marks? How many students obtain 16 marks? And how many students obtain 18 marks? These are the marks where 9 is minimum here, and then 18 is maximum here. So how to convert into discrete form? Look at marks obtained 9 by 2 students, marks obtained 10 by again 2 students, marks obtained 12 by 7 students, marks obtained by 9 students is 14, and marks is 16 obtained by 8 students, and marks 18 obtained by 4 students. So if we are grouping this way, that is discrete series. Now in discrete series also, let's find out the mean from the discrete form. Then we know marks obtained 9, 10, 12, 14, 16 and 18. We know, just we have discussed, 9 marks obtained by 2 students, 10 marks obtained by 2 students, 12 obtained by 7, 14 obtained by 9, 16 obtained by 8, 18 obtained by 4, so that this is number of students and their corresponding marks, right? And then each frequency multiply with its corresponding value of x, and then 9 multiple to, that is 18, 10 multiple to 20, and so on. We are multiplying, and look at sum of the fx total, means total of the fx, that is summation of fx. This is equal to 448. We got it. And total number of students 32. Then we know how to calculate mean in discrete series, that is mean x bar is equal to summation fx by n. Yes, look at here. Then sum of the marks fx is equal, summation of fx is equal to 448. Total number of students, that is called summation of f or n. So this is equal to 32, which is mentioned on table also. Then by formula, mean x bar is equal to summation fx divided by n, which is 448 divided by 32, and the result is 14. So for the marks obtained by 32 students, when we have calculated with individual form, mean was 14. When that marks again grouping and making a discrete series, and you applying the formula according to the discrete series, again getting the same result, that mean is 14. So for the same data, calculate mean from by individual form or by discrete form, we will get the same result. Are you clear? Yes. So after this, let's discuss on why the individual data converting into discrete data. Why we have to convert it? Just sometime the given data is so large, right? So that being a large data, it's difficult to do it by individual form. It's take a time. Just we are minimizing the time and to do it fast, we are just writing in form of discrete, so that yes, it's written here. Look at here. If the there are larger number of data, it should be converted into discrete data. And then we can easily find the average of the data. So the average represents the whole data. That average is for the whole data. Either it is calculated from individual form or it is by discrete form, right? Okay, after this, next question here. From the previous example, how many students have scored less than and more than the average marks? So look at here, the number of students who obtain less than average marks means average is 14 marks. So less than 14. So it was 7 plus 2 plus 2. You know, 9 marks obtained by 2 students, 10 marks obtained by 2 students, and 12 marks obtained by 7 students. So 9, 10 and 12 marks is less than average marks 14, so that is 11. 7 plus 2 plus 2, that is 11. Similarly, can you find how many students obtain more than average marks? That is your work. You will do, go through the data, how many students obtain the marks more than average. So it is not doing here, so you can do it. Okay, number third, what is the same marks obtained by maximum number of students? How many have got it? What is it called? Do you know maximum number of students obtained marks is, that is 14, because that marks is obtained by 9 students. So this is called mode. Yeah, in central tendency, the maximum students corresponding by obtained marks is called maximum number of student marks, corresponding marks is called here mode marks, or that is model marks, right? So that 14 is called mode value, or that is model marks. So model marks, mode is also a type of central tendency, because there are 3 central tendencies. They are mean, median and mode. Now we are doing on mean. It is highest students or maximum number of students, corresponding marks is called model marks or mode value, right? So now after this, let's start how to, or in which condition data is converting into continuous series. Now let's come to the main part of today's class, that is how to convert the given data into continuous data, or in which condition we have to convert the given data into continuous form, and we can find the mean. Let's see here, it is written here, if the expansion of the raw data is too much, so large number of data is given, we are collecting 500, 600 data, and then it's difficult to do it by individual, changing from individual form or from discrete form. So in that condition, then its table will be so large. In that case, we have to just change into continuous form to find the mean. So if we have the data, as you said, the mean can be calculated by making continuous series. If the given raw data is so large number and the table is so large, in that condition, we have to convert into the grouping form, making continuous, and then we are finding the mean for the given data. So let's introduce how to change. Yeah, we have to change. We have a large number of data, then we have to make it our calculation simple, then we have to convert into continuous series. But the question is how to change into continuous series. Let's think and discuss on different problems. How to change individual series into continuous series. This is the main question. How we'll convert it? Look at here. So that is one question given here for you. Example, which is considered example 1. Go through this example. What is here? The age of chicken, that is in days, in a poultry farm is given below. Age of chicken in days, not in month, not in year. 3 is the first value. 3 represent, that is age of chicken means 3 days, and then 12 means 12 days chicken. is there, 15 days chicken are also there, 57 days from the birth. How old that chicken means 57 days chicken are also there in a poultry farm. Different age chickens are there in a poultry farm. So this is the raw data. Consider raw data. This is individual form. This is not in grouping form. Now group and make it continuous. How to make it? So that's the main question. Do you know the answer of the following question? What are these questions? Do you know the lowest age of chicken and the highest age of chicken? Can you write it? Which age chicken, it means which age chicken is lowest age, and which age chicken is highest age of chicken here. Just here we can see in the given data. Is it smallest one among the other age? Yes, this 3 is the smallest one. We can't see the age less than 3 here in the given data. Similarly, find out which one is the highest age of chicken. Is it 57? I can see here 57 here. Can you see more than 57 in the given data? If you can see 57 is not the highest age. If we can't see more than 57, then 57 will be the highest age of chicken in the given data, right? So we'll get the answer later on. Make a frequency distribution table. Now let's develop the frequency distribution table. How to find the mid value of each class interval? We have to find the mid value. What is the meaning of mid value? Mid value means the value which is in between, right? And then find the mean age of chicken by direct method. Let's see here. Let's give the answer of this question separately. First one, lowest age of chicken here. Look at, in this case, yes, we have discussed and I said that lowest age of chicken is 3 days and the highest age of chicken is 57 days. After this frequency distribution table. Do you know the tally bar? If you have to make a frequency distribution table, we should write first tally bar with a line. You know how to write tally bars. So age of chicken 0 to 10, this is just only one data, that is 3, which is 1. Okay, 10 to 20, this is 5, and it's representing with tally bar, and this is 5. And similarly 20 to 33, 30 to 40, let's count from this previous data which we are continue from example 1. So go just observe there, 30 to 40. Look at here, how many chickens are there whose age is 30 days to 40 days? This is 10 written here. 10, how to represent by tally bar? So 5 with one bundle, another 5 lines with another bundle, and 4 lines vertical line, and 1 line crossing the 4 line, then we are making 5. Similarly, here is 5. 40 to 50, A means days, age chickens are 6, and 50 to 60 age, 50 to 60 days chickens are, they are 5. So how many chickens are there? 30 chickens are there all total. So if we are presenting the counting, grouping, and writing the number, that adjoining table is called frequency distribution table. And third question is how to find the mid value. So one is class interval taken 0 to 10, then what is its mid value? Like to find the mid value of each class interval, we are doing as given below. Mid value m is equal to, look at here, lower limit of the class interval plus upper limit of a class interval divide by 2. Lower limit of a class interval plus upper limit of a class interval, their sum divide by 2. That is called mid value of each class interval. Look at here. So using this relation, we can find the mid value. Can you just tell me 0 to 10 in a class interval, what is the mid value? 0 plus 10 divide by 2. 0 plus 10, 10. Divide by 2, 5. 5 is the mid value for class interval 0 to 10. Similarly, for 10 to 20, how much is the mid value? Let me say what is its mid value. How we'll do it? Okay, 10 plus 20. How much? 30. Divide by 2. How much its value? 30 divided by 2, it is 15. So 10 to 20, mid value is 15. So on, we will calculate. So find the mean age of chicken by direct method. So let's find out for in a continuous series, mean how to find. That is by direct method, right? So what is that direct method? How to find it? Like look at here. After that, as in the discrete series, mean is placing m in the place of x, calculated as this way. The required table for the calculation of mean age of chickens, we are just grouping 0 to 10, and second 10 to 20, third class is 20 to 30, fourth class is 30 to 40, fifth class is 40 to 50, and sixth class is 50 to 60. Why not making 7 class? Why not written 60 to 70? Because we have just a maximum age of the chicken is 57 days. So that 57 is belongs to 50 to 60. It lies between 50 to 60. We don't have chicken age more than 60 days. So that we don't have to go with the class interval 60 to 70. Are you clear? Why we are not taking more than 60? 60 to 70, why not taking? Because the age of chickens are from 3 to 57. So 57 lies in 50 to 60, so that 50 to 60 is the last class interval, right? So number of chickens, counting 0 to 10, how many are there? Frequency written. And you know mid value, here we are calculating. How to calculate it? 0 plus 10 divide by 2, that is 5. And lower limit 10 plus upper limit 20 divide by 2, that is 15. 20 plus 30 divide by 2, 25. Lower limit 30 and upper limit 40 in a class interval 30 to 40, then 30 plus 40 divided by 2, that is 35. And so on, we are finding mid value. And next one, FM. What does it mean, FM? F multiply with mid value, M, right? So F is here in second column, mid value is in third column. Now corresponding frequency multiply with its corresponding mid value M. So F1 multiply with F5, that is 5. Second, frequency 5 multiply with mid value 15, 5 times 15 is a 75. 3, frequency multiply with 25, and the result is 25 times 3 is a 75, and so on. 10 multiply with 35, 6 multiply with 45, 5 multiply with 55, and the results are written here in column of FM. Can you find its sum? Summation of FM? How much is total? Add. You can add using calculator also. And the result is 1050. And similarly find out total of the frequency, that is called summation of F, is equal to N is equal to 30. So after this, we know mean X bar is equal to summation Fm by N. This is equal to 1050 divided by 30. This is equal to 35 days is the mean age of the chicken in that poultry farm, right? Okay, after this, let's number of chickens of each class interval is called frequency of that class interval. Do you know what does frequency represent? Frequency means the number of chickens of each class interval, that is called the frequency. The method to find mean is called direct method. Which method we have used, that is called the direct method. Okay, after this, do you have another method also to find the mean for continuous series? Have you listened about the another method? Do you know about the another method? Surely. What is that another method? That is assume mean method. Okay, for the same data, we can find the mean by assume mean method also. Let's see here how to find by assume mean method. Look at here, how to find by assume mean method. For the assume mean method, we have to suppose one mean, that is assume mean means suppose mean from the mid value. So from the mid value is 5, 15, 25, 35, 45 and 55. We have written in previous slide, right? Then we can take any value from mid value, maybe 5, maybe 15, maybe 25, maybe 35. Now I have taken mid value, assume mean is, that is 25. After this, look at here, age of chickens and number of chickens given. This is same as first slide, and then mid value again same. Now we have to find D. That's a new one which is different from direct method. D. What does D represent? D means deviation. How much deviation from mid value? Means that is mid value minus assume mean. Each mid value minus assume mean. So here, look at here, mid value 5 and assume mean is taken 25. 5 means 25 minus 20. Similarly, mid value 15, assume mean is 25. So 15 minus 25 minus 10. Similarly, let's find out D from each class interval. After that, now this obtained D value, D column multiply with corresponding value of frequency. Yeah? So minus 20 multiply with plus 1, or 1 multiply with minus 20, this is minus 20. FD means F times D, right? Similarly, 5 multiple minus 10, minus 50. 3 multiply with, that is 0, it's a 0. And so on, summation of F, this is equal to, N is equal to 30, and summation of FD, sorry, here should be FDA, not FM, FD is equal to, that is 300. Right? After this, deviation between mid value and assume mean is denoted by D, where D is called deviation between mid value and assume mean. Then mean x bar is equal to A plus summation FD by N. So A is 25 plus summation of FD, that is 300 divided by 30. So this is equal to 35. 300 divided by 30, 10. 10 plus of 25, 30. So therefore, mean x bar is equal to 35. So mean we can find by direct method as well as by indirect method. Also we can find by another method also, one more method also, sometime you can see somewhere, you can find it, that is step deviation method also we can apply, but we have not discussed on that part, right? Okay, after this, actual mean of the data can also be calculated by considering assume mean. So we can find actual mean also by supposing assume mean method. So actual mean is calculated by considering any mid value as an assume mean. So from any mid value we can consider as assume mean for the calculation of actual mean. Okay, for this, the deviation between mid value and assume mean, that is D, should be found. To find mean from assume mean method, we have to find D, which we have find it. Okay, next one, example 2. For continuous data, mean is given here, summation FM given, what is the value of N, find it. So all the information are given, one information is missing, let's apply the formula and find it. So look at here, mean given x bar 49, summation FM 980. Then by formula, mean x bar is equal to summation FM divided by N. Do you know x bar is equal to how much? 49. It's equal to summation FM, how much? 980 divided by N. So in place of summation FM and in place of mean x bar, replaced by their respective values. Then, okay, after cross multiply with 49 with N and 49, just let's multiple, so that by simplifying we'll get N is equal to, after cross multiplication, the result is 980 divided by 49. Yes, this is equal to 20. Hence, N is equal to, result is 20. Let's go with another example. Again, this is about continuous series, where mean given, summation FM given, 800 plus 15p, and summation F also given, 10 plus a p, where FM given, x bar given, and then summation F given, and then find the value p. P is missing here, so let's find out p. How to solve this problem? How to find p? Look at here. So this is again question here. So its solution, mean x bar is equal to 20, summation of fm is equal to 800 plus 15p, and summation of f is equal to 10 plus of p. By formula, mean x bar is equal to summation fm by n. Let's replace their corresponding values. Do you know how much is x bar given? It's a numerical value 20. It's already defined. But summation fm is completely not defined because there is p is unknown quantity. So substitute 800 plus 15p. Even summation of f, which is called n also, that is also not completely defined, which is with unknown quantity p, that is 10 plus of p. Replace x bar, summation fm and n in their respective places. Right. 20 is equal to 800 plus 15p divided by 10 plus of p. Let's multiply, means cross multiplication. Now do it cross multiplication. Yes. So we know here it is mentioned n is equal to not given. Why we have written in place of n is 10 plus of p? Because summation of f, that is called n. Or now after cross multiplication, 20 multiple 10, it's 200 plus 20 multiple p, 20p. This is equal to 800 plus of 15p. Now write the like terms on same side. So p, the term of p in one side and the constant number into another side, right? So 20p minus of 15p is equal to 800 minus of 200. And then 5p is equal to 800 minus 200, it is 600. Finally, p is equal to 600 divided by 5, and the result is 120, right? So what is our question? So question is find the value of p. If we have to find what is this value of summation fm, let's substitute that value 120 in place of p. So 120 plus of 10, that is 130. If we have to find summation fm, 800 plus 15 times 120, we can substitute there. But according to our question here, only we have to find p, so that we don't have to substitute here. Hence, p is equal to 120. That's our result. So, students, how to solve, how to find mean in continuous series and what is its formula, and how to calculate the missing component in continuous series, just we have discussed in today's class. After this class, now you can do this as your work. Now you have to spend some time in to solve this question. Here some multiple choice questions are given, which are called just yes or type questions, selective responses. Yeah, options are given. From the given option, select the right answer. Which of the following is not the measure of central tendency? Mean, median, mode, and range. Yes, just before I said that central tendencies are mean, median, and mode. And range is not belongs to the central tendency. So, which is not the measure the central tendency? Range does not measure its central tendency. So, right answer is range. Similarly, in question number 2, summation of f given, summation of fm given. What is the mean of the given data? Find out mean and then just and select the right option. Similarly, question number 3, here some selective response or multiple choice question are given. That's your work from today's class. I hope you can solve this question. Similarly here, the CR type problem, it means constructive response. You have to solve and you have to decide what you have to find yourself. What is the result? What is the answer of these questions? So I hope you can solve this question which belongs to the today's class. Similarly, spend your time here. Just given marks of 10 by 40 students are given, and the different questions are there. The given data is continuous data, or this is continuous series. The data are presenting in continuous form. So let's find out answer of the following question. The question are, write the formula to find the mean by actual mean method. Find the mean of the given data by actual mean method, and also find the mean by assumed mean method. So today we have learned how to find mean by assume mean method as well as by actual mean method in continuous series. So I hope from this class you can solve the problem belongs to the continuous series, yeah, and you can find the mean. So I hope, and then our time is also over. So this much for today, and thank you. Bye bye, and see you.